Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious and I'm back again with another video. Oh my god. So guys, wow, forgive me for taking forever to come back and I don't know, do another video or upload another video. Yeah, a lockdown literally got me on my throat. So yeah, anywho, without wasting any of your precious time, we're just gonna jump straight into the video. So what we're gonna do today is a brow slit. So I'm just gonna show you how I do my brow slit. I haven't done a brow slit. It's actually me attempting to do a brow slit. So let's get into the video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use my almost finished eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I don't see a mirror anywhere here, and I'll just use that one, the big one I'm looking at right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my normal regular brow. This is the technique that I'm doing right now. It's more of an illusion slit, or a fake slit rather, because there are actually two methods of doing this. Is either you cut your real brow, or you do this technique that I'm about to do right now, or that I'm about to show you right now. So yeah, just bear with me. I'm just gonna do my brow for a moment. Just gonna do my brow for a moment. Just a regular brow that you normally do. I didn't want to waste so much time on this. Forgive me if you feel it's taking forever. This is as fast as I can go with my brow. This is as fast as your girl could go. Yes, guys, I wish we had like better lighting, cause it's hella dark in here. Yeah, it's hella dark in here. So I'm just gonna use a black brow pencil to darken the end of my brow, and then from there we'll get to the cleaning of the brow. Just gonna use my regular my Ushers concealer and my foundation for the top part, and then we get down to business, to the slits. It's just so yeah, this is how I do my brow, as fast as a girl could go. So yeah, this is my overly finished concealer palette. So I'm just gonna use my concealer brush to clean up the. Give me a moment. Yeah, just gonna fix my lower brow and make this baby snatched. Make it a little baby snatched. And I think that is done. Gonna continue the same method on the other end. So yeah guys, now I'm gonna do my upper thingy, clean up the upper brow. Fast, for me, for me. I messed up my stupid brow. Jeez, girls. Yeah, well, everything is possible. I'm rushing through because now I do not have space in my phone anymore. So that is why I'm just rushing. So I think I'm gonna slit this one. So for the slitting, this is gonna be simple. I'm just gonna use my small angle brush, and then I'm gonna use the concealer that I used, right? Um, let me show you. You just tap. So yeah. So this is what I'm using. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna, just here. I hope y'all could see. Tinting this little brow. This little brow. This little. I will. This ain't perfect or whatever, but Your girl tried, guys. So I'm just gonna darken it more. Guys, yeah. I don't know if it's an attempt failed or what, but hey, I think we tried, eh? What do you think? Comment down below and tell me what you think about this. Probably we might just perfect it and do the other part of just cutting on my brow care. Like, I don't want to do that, but if you want perfection, ladies, we just might have to do that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking that selection button and like, oh, I'm watching this one. Thank you guys. Y'all are very much appreciated. Yeah, very much appreciated, and I promise you this time I'm gonna try to be consistent. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that I am consistent. Forgive me, guys, for not being consistent. Forgive me for just going ghost on you. But now, now we're back. Now we're back. I wish I could show you why. I won't now. I will probably in the next video. Yeah. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, and comment down below of what you think about this. And yeah, now let's entertain each other. Bye.